Okay, let's meet guys, the newly crowned Mr. Philippine Islands Man of the Year, the one and only. Pakilala ka po ulit.
So, hi everyone. I am John Adrian Zafra and I am Man of the Year Philippines 2026.
So, ang tanong nila, ano ang mga plano mong gawin sa loob ng iyong reign bilang title holder?
Of course, having a crown is a responsibility, and I will do first is to inspire other youth out there and to promote my advocacy, of course.
Wow, that's good to know. So, sa tatlong salita, paano mo ilalarawan ang iyong reign?
Hi everyone, this is Joshua Sadillo.
Leadership,
Your newly crowned
service,
Mr. Philippines
and purpose.
Wow, very connected sa pageant organization. Last na to, ready ka na bang dalhin ang Pilipinas sa international stage?
Yes, I'm always ready.
Okay, so ano-ano kaya mga preparations mo for that?
First, I'm going to work out my body as well, and aside from that, my communication skills, and that's it.
Okay, so please express your gratitude kung sino man yung gusto mong pasalamatan ngayong
So
gabi.
first of all, I would like to thank God for this crown and my family for always supporting me, and to my friends and to my co-workers, which is Regis Marie College. Thank you so much for always supporting me.
Okay, wala nang patumpik-tumpik pa. We are just want you to congratulate, okay?
Thank you so much.
Ayan. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Picture